What's up guys, Colin Matthew here, and in today's video I wanted to share with you guys how I successfully removed a 30-day late payment from PayPal credit off of my credit report on all three bureaus. If you're watching this video, you probably have a late payment from PayPal credit. Listen guys, it happens to the best of us. Back in 2020 October, I totally forgot that I applied for PayPal credit, got approved, and used a little bit of that balance, and I did not set up automatic payments, to which obviously resulted in acquiring a 30-day late payment. Now, as always, I always recommend the very first step in credit repair or fixing a late payment as seeking amends and goodwill. So what did I do? I called PayPal credits and asked to speak with a manager and let them know my situation. I sought goodwill and let them know that I was struggling at the time, I was unemployed, and I was unable to make that late payment, and the manager told me that he totally understood. It was during COVID-19, etc. And I'm sure if you tell them your personal situation and that you understand you will not be late and that you set up automatic payments and you're doing things to ensure that it does not happen again, that they will see if they can make a goodwill adjustment. And that's exactly what they did with me. They removed the late payment from my account and I got a letter in the mail confirming it. And the very next month when my credit report updated, the late payment was removed. So I did not have to send a goodwill letter or a goodwill email. I did not have to send any dispute letters or anything like that. All I did was call the PayPal credit customer service line and ask to speak to a manager about a goodwill adjustment. So I hope that helps. If there are any other lenders that are having issues getting a late payment removed, let me know in the comments below. I love making these videos to help other people. I love hearing from you guys that you were able to successfully get a late payment removed. And if you enjoy short, quick, and to the point finance, investing, and credit videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And as always, guys, have an outstanding day.